Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Malunggay Bunga, full guide. Rinse pods under cold water, trim ends, and remove any fibrous strings before cooking. Use fresh pods for the best texture and flavor, and avoid overcooking to preserve nutrients. Follow the steps that suit your kitchen style, whether you prefer quick sauté, gentle steaming, or simmering in soups for a savory outcome. Start by rinsing and trimming the Malunggay Bunga carefully so they cook evenly. Slice pods into 1 to 2 inch pieces and gently remove any fibrous strings along the seam. Blanching for 30 to 60 seconds can set the color and reduce cooking time. Pat dry if you plan to sauté, and keep prep items close by so cooking moves smoothly and you retain bright color and nutrients. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer for busy cooks, with voice control and smart navigation that keeps floors clean without interrupting your kitchen flow. I love how it handles crumbs and keeps the space tidy, so you can focus on flavor. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sautéing is fast. Heat oil, cook garlic and onions until fragrant, then add tomatoes and Malunggay Bunga for 5 to 7 minutes. Simmering in broth with fish or shrimp creates a hearty soup with infused flavors and soft pods. Steaming preserves a gentle texture. Finish with olive oil, lemon, and a pinch of salt. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning so the Malunggay Bunga shines without getting mushy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.